Experience driving perfection in the 2009 Lexus ES 350. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Lexus are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and more. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.